In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create vertical dividers in Notion. Now, if you're looking to organize your Notion pages with a cleaner, more structured layout, vertical dividers might just be the right tool for you. They're perfect for setting apart sections of content in a visually appealing way. Let's get started and walk through this step-by-step process together. First, you'll want to navigate to a new page in your Notion workspace. This is where we will start setting up our vertical divider. If you're new to Notion, you can create a new page by simply going to the sidebar and clicking on Add a Page. This freshly created page will be your canvas. Once you have your new page set up, click into it so that you're editing the page directly. This is where the magic happens. Here's a tip. Make sure you're in the editing mode by just clicking anywhere on the page so that your cursor is active. By doing this, you ensure that any further actions you take will affect the page content directly. Now type the command /quote, that's ICKey's quote, into the page. This little command tells Notion to create a block designed for quotations. After you type the command, you'll see a drop-down menu with options. Here you'll want to select the quote option from the menu that appears. After selecting the quote option, you have the base for your vertical divider. Here's a little trick. Press Shift plus Enter simultaneously after clicking your quote option to ensure you're working in a new block line. This is important because you'll need a new line to bring in additional content later. Next, you'll see a small plus icon to the left of your newly created quote block. This is your tool for adding new components to your page. Click on this Add icon. The icon allows you to introduce a variety of new elements, facilitating a seamless integration with your divider. The critical step now is to drag it. You want to drag the quote block to the side of another content block, such as a text block. This action effectively creates a vertical divider because it positions your quote block alongside another element, giving it the appearance of dividing two sections of content. Remember, the key to creating a visually appealing divider is consistent spacing and alignment. Adjust the positioning until it visually fits into the rest of your page layout. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to incorporate vertical dividers into your Notion pages. And that's the process. With these steps, you can enhance the layout of your Notion pages, making them more visually engaging and organized. Practice makes perfect, so try this a few times to get a feel for it. I hope you found today's tutorial helpful, and look forward to seeing you enhance your digital workspace with these tips.